All right, so hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are reviewing a very interesting app which is called QR Crafter. Right. Now all these options like text URL is like I've seen a lot of apps, a lot of web pages that are able to generate QR codes through text or URL. That's pretty common to see, right? But contact cards, SMS, emails, and all that stuff, like that's pretty dope, right? All right, so let's get the app straight in. This app is now done installing. We'll just hit open. 5 6 seconds. Yeah, there you go. All right, so this is the interface, pretty straightforward, no fancy stuff. Yeah, and these are the options. Oh, that's that available. Okay, so let's try this. Bulk QR code. All right, so we can create bulk QR codes as well. I'm not trying it as of now. I'll maybe in the video generate QR code. Holy shit. All right. So you guys are the viewers, right? You can also verify the QR code if it works or not, as I generated. So this is basically for the text or the URL that you can see, right? I can also like maybe generate something, or maybe like dot youtube.com, something like that, right? Yeah, good. Let's do contact. All right. My name is Prince. I work on YouTube channel. It's something random. If this is your number, then please forgive me, right? Then prince@gmail.com. This is not my email ID, guys. Generate. Okay, this is pretty interesting. Nice. How about I change the color this time? Let's do a greenish, more dark greenish type of color. And the background, or maybe like background can be white, and that's all right. Generate. Yo, that's crazy. That's nice. Some eco-friendly and sustainable thing, right? Let's check for the SMS. So phone number will be the same. Let's do this. I mean, yeah, any number. Hi there. Glad to see you. Right. Let's generate it. There you go. And yeah, this is also getting generated. Pretty crazy. Email. prince@gmail.com. Subject will be Hi Prince. And body will be Yo, what's up? All right. Generate QR code. Crazy. I wonder what's the limit for like the characters and all that stuff. Let's just paste it 10 times. Yo, dang, that's huge. And it's working. Wow. And you can like also save the QR code. So I will just save it for email. Yeah, I can save it as a PNG. I can save it as a JPEG file just for size issues and all that stuff. So yeah, crazy. And where is it? Yeah, there you go. This looks pretty sick. Wow, nice. And what about the bulk create?
So, alright. CSV files, Excel files. Let's do it via Excel files. Not sure. Yeah. Okay. Output directory should be. Okay, so this is going to generate a lot of QR codes based on the columns, right? And so maybe I would like to create a new folder. Demo QRs. Select folder. Generate. I don't know how big of a file that was. Honestly, like for creating QR codes, I honestly don't know. But yeah, definitely. Okay, that was very quick. Let's see what's there.
Yo, now that's pretty sick. Wow. And let's just open one random thing. What does it say? Yeah, I mean, just a random number that was expected. Wow. And let's just do this. What does this say? Again, a random number. Good. So, wow, I mean, this is pretty sick features. I don't see any app or any web application that gives these kind of features where you can just input an Excel file or maybe a CSV file directly and then generate QR code for each and every row, right? So each and every cell, in fact, because if I can show you this, this is pretty interesting file. Yeah. So if I can count 500 of them, okay. And these, yeah, so these are basically the columns. Yeah, all the columns have been generated. I'm not sure. Yeah, so these are the columns. So the first column, if you like, let's say if I have to mail a lot of people and I have to generate a lot of QR codes for, let's say, a lot of creators, like for me as acknowledging future or some other creator as well, and just their names I have to generate or their channel links I have to generate QR codes for, then I can just paste the links here in the first column, save it as a CSV file or like a normal Excel file, .xls, and that's it. This is pretty much all of it that's required. Just feed it in the software in this application, and boom, just it. That's it, which is pretty dope, I believe. Yeah, and these are like, wow, they're great features. I really love this app. Honestly, I already had it, so I wanted to just, review it and all that stuff. So, yeah, I mean, this looks pretty fun app. It's great, it's interesting, and also all the features that it provides is are like pretty crazy. So I would really like you to try this app, and in order to find it, you just have to go to Microsoft Store, just search for QR Crafter. I can also pin the link in the in like in the comment section, or maybe what could be better, right? Copy. Also, it says that we can generate a QR code. Well, guess what, brother? We got ourselves something. There you go. So this is pretty much the application QR code, and you can scan it, and you'll be directed straight to the page where you can download the app. And yeah, you can try, play around it, and let's see how it goes. Comment in the comment section that how you find it and like all the features and everything. And we'll meet for another crazy app. If you have any suggestions that you want me to review, I can also do that. So please feel free to suggest some. Yeah, and by then, tada, bye bye, see you, good night.